Hello students, welcome to Easy Engineering. In this video, we are going to see the current division and voltage division rules in series and parallel resistors. Tutorial problem and related informations were already discussed in a previous video. Those who failed to do the same, you just visit the particular link and go through the series parallel combination, how the equivalent circuit calculated, and the tutorial related problem along with the same topic. Then only it is easier for you to understand the current video. All the links were given in a description box. You please be referred the same. And coming back to today's topic, it's a current division in parallel resistors. See, when two resistors are connected in parallel via the name R1, R2, supplied by the voltage I, and it carries a current I. So it's a junction point or a nodal point where the current differs via I1 through R1, I2 through R2. The equivalent resistance is given, well known that R equivalent equal to, for two resistors connected in parallel means it's an R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, means R equivalent. Well, the total current in the circuit is I ohms. Now the current through R1 resistor is I1 equal to V by R1. R, how to write V? According to Ohm's law, V equal to I into R. How about R? R is R total or R equivalent. Here it is given as an R total. So I into R total divided by this R1. What about R total? R total is none other than this R equivalent. So by substituting R total equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, here R1 get cancelled. Your current I1 equal to I into R2 by R1 plus R2. Now similarly, takes up the again how to find I2. I2 equal to V by R2, where V equal to I into RT, where RT equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Here also R2 get cancelled, where your I2 equal to I into R1 by R1 plus R2. So what we can infer from these two expressions, we found that current through the particular current is equal to total current into, if we are finding a current for R1 resistor, I1 means opposite resistor divided by R1 plus R2, means the total resistors connected in the network. Similarly, current through the particular R2 resistor means particular current is equal to total current into R1, means opposite resistor by R1 plus R2. So this is what our inference. We can make an inference as in a words, the current through a resistor, that is both are connected in a parallel combinations, means how to apply the current division rule. Current is equal to total current into resistance of opposite resistor divided by sum of resistors of the both the resistor. Hope you can understand the concept. We'll apply the concept in a simple problem, then only it is easier for you to familiarize the things. Now determine current I1, I2 and I in the network. Supply voltage 12 volt, total current I through 2 ohm resistor, and again we have a nodal point, division of current I1 via 12 ohm and division of current I2 via 6 ohm. So both the resistors are connected in parallel. So we are applying a parallel resistors equivalent circuit. So it is 12 into 6 by 12 plus 6, which is 4 ohm. Again, this 4 ohm resistor is connected with the 2 ohm resistor series combination. So 2 plus 4, its equivalent resistor is 6 ohm. What is the supply voltage? It's 12 volt. So current I is equal to 12 by 6 equal to 2 amps. What is asked in a problem? current I1, I2. How to find I1? So according to current division rule, see here, according to current division rule, how to find the current through I1? If we want to find a current through I1 which is equal to total current. What is a total current here? We found it as an 2 ampere. We found it as an 2 ampere. So 2 into opposite resistor. What is an opposite resistor here? For I1, opposite resistor is 6 divided by total resistor connected. Is it so? So 2 into 6 by 12 plus 6 equal to 0.66 amps. Similarly, I2. How to find I2? Opposite resistor divided by total resistor. Opposite resistor of 6 ohm is 12 divided by 12 plus 6. Total current I. It's an 1.33 ampere. So in this way, we can easily found the current through particular branch via the current division rule. Now let us see the voltage division in a series resistor. Voltage division is used to express voltage across one of the two resistors when two resistors are connected in series. See, two resistors R1, R2 are connected in series. V1 is an voltage across R1, V2 is an voltage across R2. Then voltage V is equal to V1 plus V2. It's also we already discussed in the effects of series resistor. In series resistor combination, voltages are additive. So V1 plus V2, I into R1 plus I into R2 means I common R1 plus R2, where rearranging the expression V equal to I into R1 plus R2. Rearranging the expression, I is equal to, again here denominator, so I is equal to V by R1 plus R2. Now try to find V2, where V2 equal to I into R1. What about I? I is equal to V by R1 plus R2. So it is equal to V into R2 by R1 plus R2. Then similarly we can find V1 equal to V into R1 plus R2. So what we can express in a words? Voltage across a resistor equal to total voltage into resistance of the particular resistor divided by sum of all resistor. This is an easier way to apply an voltage division rule in a circuits. Let us see the simple problem. Let us see the simple problem using a voltage division rule. Now use voltage division rule and to determine voltage across the resistor 2 ohm in the circuit. This is a given circuit. A 12 volt 2 ohm is resistor and 3 ohm resistors are connected in series, and 8 ohm resistors are connected in parallel. 18 volt is applied across the supply the circuit. So try to find the series parallel combination. Starting from 8 ohms are connected in parallel. So 2 resistors connected in parallel, 18 to 8 by 8 plus 8. So answer is 4. Now make an equivalence, answer 4. Then again 2 ohm, 3 ohm are connected in series. Fine. So all the three things are connected in series. No nodal point. 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm all are connected in series now. How to find the voltage across the resistor 2 ohm? So in order to find the particular resistor, voltage across the resistor equal to total voltage into resistance of particular resistor by sum of all resistors. Is it so? While applying the same, voltage across the 2 ohm resistor is equal to total voltage 18 into that particular resistor, means 2 ohm resistor divided by total resistance. What are all the total resistance? 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 4 ohm. Totally 9 ohm resistor. So cancel 2 into 2, 4 volt. Voltage across the particular 2 ohm resistor is 4 volt. In this way we have to apply current division and voltage division rule. Students, this is an easier rule. If you can familiarize with these rules, it is more easier to get into the bigger problem. Thank you, students. Keep on watching the videos one by one. If this explanation is convenient for you, you just make a like. Thank you, students.